Good morning, guys. All right. Good afternoon for the European futures soldiers. All right, we're gonna try. I already messed up. Two things. Number one, supposed to be a new stream layout. Totally forgot. Number two, I didn't get to the desk early enough to activate the account, set up the copy trader, and take the ORB. So I took ORB only on one account, only on one contract, because I wasn't set up, and it was a good ORB, but should have been across like 6 accounts. But it's all right. We're gonna keep on. No, I didn't sleep in. It's just the social media in the mornings is just absolutely mental. I get 15 notifications on Twitter, 10 on Instagram, and then people are texting you, and then you're talking about stuff, and it just. But I don't know what to do right now. Do I trade my TPT pros? Oh, I want to trade those Apex accounts, actually. Let me buy some. I want those Apex 250K accounts. Where do you buy them? I don't see them. Am I blind? Oh, legacy. We're going to give one of those away today as well. Man, what a bad start to the day. Why didn't I just get up to... I need to get to my desk at 9 o'clock, guys. That should be part of my routine. And doing stuff night before... doing stuff night before to prep would be absolutely game-changing. Why didn't I activate my accounts last night is beyond me. Well, I know this is what's gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. I'm just buying a couple of those Rhythmic accounts. $17. I'll buy 3. See how that goes. Firework display from Washington? No, I'm not into fireworks. To me, it's the same thing over and over again. I love the sound of fireworks. I think that's the best part. Like that big firework when it goes off like a bomb. That sound is so like full. I love it. Yeah, I feel like today's not gonna be the day to start. Today we're gonna just get a couple trades in and that's it. Today's not gonna be the day to push. I'm already way too behind on stuff. Yeah, World Cup is insane. Feel bad for Mexico. Feel like they played way better than England. But let's try that 920 short. All right, so at least I got one account to 500. That worked really well. All right, good start. Yeah, the red card thing is gonna cause too much drama. Not that it matters, but makes no difference. But yeah, I think VAR is a disgrace. That's what I think as well. I think VAR is a disgrace. It's ruining the sport, and that's where we got to start. The only reason why it's whatever to me, because it's number one, that was the biggest BS red card I've ever seen in the World Cup. I think yesterday was a close second. How or that penalty that like Harry Kane got. I mean, like, how is that a penalty? Like, he's going up for the ball. Maybe that's a foul because he did kick him, but it's just like the VAR just ruining the game. That foul will never be caught live in action. So I'm anti VAR. Haaland had a pretty good game. Oh yeah, everyone's gonna root against USA, but it's whatever. That means they're afraid of USA. I'm gonna try that one more time. I feel like there's something brewing in this candle. Volatility is pretty high. They can't compete against top nations, but there's so many teams that are competing against top nations that shouldn't be competing against top nations because the top nations are not even that good. That's the problem. In my opinion, the level of soccer is not that great on the best teams, or not the best teams, but historically good teams. Like Spain hasn't looked that good. Um, I mean, England almost lost the last game, so it's like there hasn't been like a dominant performance besides, I guess, France, even though I have not watched many France games because they're always at the worst times, middle of the day, or I'm out or something. Yeah, Brazil didn't show anything. Today is gonna be very interesting. Spain, Portugal is like the first game we have of the tournament that's like two big dogs historically, right? And we'll see what the game's about. Hopefully it's a good game. I was hoping to get the 980 there, but okay, we're having a nice range. I like this. Yeah, we're confused about that too. But the penalty wasn't bad. Like he took a good penalty. It was a great save. But penalties are just crazy in soccer because you would think it's so easy. All you got to do is put it in the top corner and the goalie can't get it. That's literally all you have to do. It's like trading, one micro in practice. But then in the World Cup, it's like trading 10 minis. You got to be so precise. And it's the same thing, right? Same thing. It's one mini or one micro, and now it's 10 minis. It's the same thing, except you got to be very precise because there's a lot more on the line. But the trade or the kick is the same. I still use the 200-second try. I just wait for the first half an hour or so. See more detail. But right now, I am just trying to forget payouts and just focus on some profitable trades. Going back to a lot of funded accounts. Man, today could have been great. Today could have been a really, really good start. All the accounts that you see on my screen were supposed to be well, except the two Apex. Those two Apex were the uncapped payouts that I took in May, so they're gone. They have 20 cents in drawdown, 96 cents in drawdown. But the other accounts, the two bull unlocks, the two take profits, the two Apex, and then a couple TRADEIFY evals were supposed to be copy traded for ORB and didn't get it in time. I almost had it, and I didn't save the copy trader. So then I didn't have time. Every team looks beatable, even France. Because France didn't play that well against Paraguay, right? Come on. Let's get a nice failure here. I added a second contract. That's not bad, unfortunately. Okay, we're ripping. She is ripping. That's why I just want to go back to the ORB because I think like ORB is gonna give me a good confidence boost. Right now, I'm just not have been trading well. And I think the ORB is what if you watched the video, I made a video this weekend. If you haven't, go and watch. That would definitely help when you are free later on. Trying to get back on track. I'm not sure which ones I'm gonna do yet with Lucid. TRADEIFY, I'm doing growth. Okay, so now we're failing. So we're just missing the 20s and 80s by a couple points, and then we're pulling back. Like here, it missed it by 13 points. Here, it missed it by 10 points. So just missing those entries by a few points, and then it works, and then the second time it just doesn't work. Oh, they took out the deal. Oh, I did see that actually. Okay, yeah, maybe I'll try that. But that's damn, what a sell-off. That is crazy. That is crazy that I was short and I still lost, right? That is the problem that I'm having right now. Is I am just getting stopped out of trades before they work. There we go. Come on. A bit more. Definitely getting greedy on this because I'm down already. So let's just set a stop for these $200. Okay, let's take that off. Let's not be greedy. Make back the loss. Yeah, that was perfect here at 920. When you're in the direction of the market, it's so much easier. Did you guys see the player from England breaking his hand during celebrations at the end of the game? The guy that got the the yellow card on the sideline. That's crazy. That sucks. Talk about freaking. Like, I think I have a bad luck getting stopped out here before the market goes. Get some music going, guys. Oh, man. I don't know if there is any reserves for the World Cup. I don't think there is. Yeah, it's better than anyone else. Like if it was one of the top players, then that would be bad. But it's not the point. It doesn't matter who it is. It's a human being, and it sucks because that's just bad luck. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if he's playing or not. He still broke his hand. Okay, we have news at 10. Okay, so now we made a lower high. So now buying the dip, I gotta be careful. That's what I've been doing. I've been missing this dip, right? I've been missing this dip lately. And then it goes without me. And I try to buy next dip, and that's when it falls apart. So I'm gonna be patient here. See if this momentum shifts to the downside. Like my last week's trading, last couple of weeks has been just all on, I don't want to say tilt, because tilt wasn't there in the beginning. It was just more just like frustration, trying to do stuff that I usually don't do. That's why I needed the mental reset. It was so bad. Go back to where it works. It sucks. It's slow. But winning small over a long period of time pays big. We can't have Egypt beat Argentina. Come on now. Unless you're Egyptian. I don't know a single player from... Actually, no. Isn't... Never mind. I was gonna say, I don't know a single player from Egypt. I do. Yeah. Has he scored any goals? I haven't actually seen any games of Egypt. Morocco is a strong team. Yeah, it's a French second national team. Come on, go lower. Big bounce there. French B team could beat half of the teams. Yep. France has really good development. Come on. Yes, come on. All right, we got our $500 days on the Apex funded. And now we're gonna try to do that on the bull. Actually, no, we should trade the. Actually, I don't know. I want to trade the pro account, but at the same time, I'm scared. They're on TRADEIFY. But see, I got to take too many trades. That's another problem. Is I gotta get through so many trades. I feel like copy trading could save us too. Maybe that's another problem that I haven't been you can have 5 pro accounts with TPT. I was supposed to have a new layout for the stream. Maybe I should do it now. See how it looks. This is gonna be the new layout. Like this is gonna change, that's gonna change, but pretty much the same thing. Maybe I'll just get the code banner, use that instead. I don't know if I like longs. It's just making lower highs every time. Oops, the garbage people are here and I didn't take it out. Why are they coming so early today? So I am picking up my friend who's staying over for 10 days from California. So the streams will be, I don't know, because he's still going to be working. So I got to see exactly what his work schedule is. He works remotely sometimes. He works for Apple. He's really good with coding and the AI shit. But hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's do a giveaway today. We're gonna give away one Apex account to everyone, and we'll do a TPT account to members only. Yeah, 920 bounce is just very strong. Could have made all that money from that one level. And that's the thing. It's like, I've never copy traded on TRADEIFY, but sometimes I feel like I should. Damn, I did not trust that bounce. See, now I have FOMO. It's like, they trapped shorts pretty good. But that is the same exact dip I bought on Friday. That is the same exact dip I bought on Friday and just fell apart. Friday was insane sell-off. Insane. Absolutely insane. That's why I want to copy trade a little bit more instead of trading individually. Obviously not everything, but a couple accounts at a time. I feel like I could take a lot less trades in a day and still get the same $500. ORB is going to be a big chunk of it though. ORB has been good. I think if I would have taken the ORB last week, would have won every day. I took the ORB Friday and I took it today. Only one contract, but it worked. So it's giving me confidence back. Welcome to the support of the stream again for, it's been a year probably. I don't know why you come up with these names though. I don't know how to say that. I would like to become a trading YouTuber like you. Can you give me any advice? How to gain that much following? Well, I struggle with following as well. I don't have any new followers. Like my channel doesn't grow. I'm gonna try to post more content. You gotta post content and you gotta make it interesting, otherwise no one's gonna really watch. That's why it's like you can't just post something that's not planned. That's why the big YouTubers, you know, they have the whole like algorithm figure out. It's definitely difficult, but just start, see how it goes. It's very easy to start streaming. You don't need much. 0 Day J doesn't use anything, no technology whatsoever. He uses an old laptop with the webcam from the laptop and the microphone on either the laptop or his AirPods. And he does it well. Make sure it's avoiding trades, but even that, I feel like it's getting played out. Or trade ICT. ICT definitely helps with social media. If you're trading ICT, you definitely have a little bit of a advantage. Post content and stream consistently, and don't stream the open. I would say stream like, you know, 11 market time or later. 9:30, there's just probably 1,000 streamers now. If you plan on streaming the open, I would start the stream a couple hours before, maybe. Like I have 100 viewers right now. If I stream till like 4 p.m., like after 11:30, 12 o'clock, we could get up to like 200 viewers. So we could double the viewers if I streamed at a different time. It's just at 9:30, it's so saturated. Very saturated. But you could try. I mean, Steve, if you have any like basic questions, I'm more than happy to help. Make your layout nice and clean. Make it kind of right away off the bat, make it look nice. With AI, it's super easy now. I don't know if I want a short. Yes, shorts definitely help. I need shorts. Yesterday's video was supposed to be for shorts, and then I was like, you know what, let me just film this, because if I work on shorts, I'm not gonna actually freaking do it. I was actually testing a new camera that I got last year. It's new, but barely used. It's that Insta360 camera, and the quality wasn't that good. I was surprised. I was surprised that the quality wasn't that good. Maybe it was just too cloudy. I'm gonna take that short and then stop. High a day. Like for like 300 bucks here if we could get it. No, it's strong as hell. I feel like it's gonna. Come on. I feel like it's gonna stop me out and then dump. Yep. I have to retake that. Yeah. I have to retake that because that was a nice little. Oh, never mind. So that was gonna go. Yeah, longs is the way to go. I feel like longs definitely pay better lately. And I feel like part of my struggle has been the fact that I've been shorting so much. That is not something I thought about till now, but that's also something I changed. I used to only long, and I would get destroyed on the days that the market would just go straight down, but I avoided these days. These days, I'm not shorting this strength. And this account's gonna get blown, unfortunately. Yeah, I have the Discord. Yeah, you could join the. You could DM me in the Discord. Let me see. We post the link. The Discord's not as active anymore. A lot of people like left and they went to different Discords, and they don't post in my Discord anymore because I don't post. So SpaceX, I don't know what the hell this is. But this is my portfolio. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to add a lot of QQQI. This is a dividend ETF. And I hope to have at least 2,000 shares of this by end of this year, hopefully. Like 100 grand worth of the stock. This pays 65 cents a share. So if you make money on your payouts, you make 50, let's say you make 25,000, right, in the payouts, and you add, that's 446 times 0.65. So this could pay you $290 a month. If you get $25,000 in payouts and you buy this, you can make basically $300 a month. That's how it starts to build up. Oh man, I knew it. I fucking knew it. Tough. It's so tough trading with tight stops. Now I'm scared too long. This is how I lost on Friday. But I kind of want to do the bigger accounts with TPT now at the same time, because if I'm gonna be doing the ORB on on TPT, I need more drawdown, right? So it's like I took 2 small losses there, and I feel like the account's gone. Versus on the 150k, it would not be. So it's just like, I don't know. I like the 25Ks because of how easy it is to pass, how cheap it is to reset in comparison. But I must say that I am struggling with keeping these accounts. Trying to short that. Trying to give myself a chance to at least get one big trade and recover, but seems just once we got out of this, it's been tough. Do I have a code for Replicanto? No, I don't. Maybe I do try it. Probably sign up with it for a long time ago. I've not used MBT. Ah, you bastards. Bastards are killing me. All right. Focus on longing only, Alpine. Let's do that. I was thinking about longing it here, and I was like, you know what? This is exactly how I lost. Let's just do the opposite of what I think I should do. I shorted and still lost. Oh man, this account's gonna be blown. Fortunately, I would rather blow the Apex account over the TPT accounts, but PHC, he's talking about streaming, not trading. Questions about streaming. Well, but do you want to be a streamer or content creator? Those are two different things for the most part. Now the double top works. It's just like, I don't know what to do anymore. Definitely ORB. ORB is going to save us from this pain. I have to short. This is so weak. It is so weak. Once it breaks the moving average and stuff, then we could see it fall apart. But we gotta be in ahead of time. Can't be chasing. Just lost my mojo with. See, I need to figure out, because this was such a good opportunity and I made good money there, and now I'm losing. So I got to figure out what's the best way to manage risk, but copy trade, and take 1 or 2 good trades a day, and that's it. Like, what is the best way to do that? Is it big accounts? Is it small accounts? Is it small size? Is it bigger size? All those different things that. Right now I'm just randomly trading because this is not my setup, but there's so many accounts I have to trade that I am just trading. ORB, yes. So ORB is gonna be like half the accounts, but ORB is not gonna be all the accounts because then there would be no stream. This is gonna get blown here any second now. Oh, maybe not. Hopefully we get this reversal here. If this doesn't reverse, then it just shows you that patterns don't work. You know, patterns are not like on Friday or last week, you know, lower highs, this thing's reversing and going down. It's all about momentum, which way the market wants to go. A pattern like this, a lot of times you buy this dip, it bounces a little bit, and then just tanks like 200-300 points after that, and then now it's just holding. Same thing, same pattern. This one's not a surprise, but right here, this surprised me. You passed the 250K? Damn, that's sick. I haven't started that yet. It did extend the the activation promo. No, it's till 17th of July. I personally complained to my affiliate manager that the promo for the activation is too short. And then yesterday they emailed that they extended it, so. Okay, I added. Come on, let's get a nice sell-off here. Get this account to break even. Come on. Big candle down, please. No? Damn, market, you are definitely not on my side. Damn, that looks so weak. I mean, every time I buy this kind of dip, we get destroyed. Yeah, short is the way to go. Only on days where market can't seem to catch any bids. Or initial short. But after that, if the market's ripping, gotta just stick to longs, only longs. All right, there's one pro account. Damn, I thought that was gonna be the trade right there. All right, got another one, but we're not gonna touch that for now. Maybe we'll trade a little bit of bull knocks. I got 3 accounts of bull knocks. For now, I just activated 2. We'll activate a 3rd, at least to flip. But now I have no trades. I'm gonna do a giveaway because I have no trades right now. We gotta wait for the market to reset. I am not gonna force trades anymore. For no reason. I got a copy trade, so I'm gonna set up a copy trader, and we just gotta take the obvious trade and be done. This trading 20 times a day is just too many trades. Bruce Lee morning. I'm setting up the giveaway for the Apex. Yeah, hit that like. We need 50 likes at least. Okay, so hopefully my garage plans will be fully submitted tomorrow. So many revisions. They're worth it if there's volatility. If the market's like this, then it's gonna be impossible. But for $17, I'm gonna try a few, because that would be my game changer. That would be something that would put me back on my feet if I got those accounts. Man, this market sucks. Damn it. That's not the Monday I wanted. Hoping for a nice vol today. That's what happens when you're on the wrong side. You're on the wrong side. That's all there is to it. Shorts are completely destroyed. Up $1,400 on my portfolio today. Let's go. Nice. But again, I'm so excited for these dividends. Matter of fact, let me buy. Let me buy some more. Buy another 50 shares. Oh, actually, no, 100 shares. I love the instant deposit. Oh, I should have done it on here. See, now it's 142,000. It was just 130. And now we have 400 shares. And we get 65 cents a share dividend. So still nothing, but slowly gonna try to get that up. It's monthly dividend, 65 cents roughly. It comes out to like 12 to 14% a year, which is a lot more than what my bank gives me. So I wanna explore that. I wish I knew about this like 2, 3, 4 years ago. That's up to you, Mystics. I am not gonna do it automatically. I am going to I want to see how it looks, because when you get the money, it's like it's yours. That's my goal, is to have an income from dividends. Obviously I don't need it right now, but having an income from dividends means that you could just take it out, right? Versus when you reinvest into the stock, then it's like investing. Then you don't really have an income. It's just basically the same thing as the stock growing. Right? If you invest $100,000 into SPY, it'll grow, but you're not really making money because you're not going to be taking the money out. Versus on dividends, you get that payment separately. So it's like your money's making you money, and you could just deduct it from your trading account. And I'm not even sure if, I wouldn't be surprised if Robinhood has a credit card. Like whatever balance is in your account, do they have that? I don't know if they do. That'd be cool if they had a debit card. What platform do I use? I use Robinhood. Okay, so they do have a, so yeah, I would want to get that, and then basically you just have money to spend. Versus, again, when you invest, the money's not gonna be, when you invest, that money's never gonna be yours until you sell the stock. Versus dividends, again, you get paid and you don't feel bad for taking it out because it's gonna be a different payment. But you need a lot of money in there to like, to make $100,000 a year, you almost need $1 million. But that's doable, right? That's something that eventually is doable. So keep in mind that QQI stock drops the same amount as the dividend payment. No, it doesn't. QQI stock goes with QQQ, with the market. There's other ones that pay you a lot more in dividends, but yes, they will drop. They're more risky. See, like, it can drop when the market drops. So the position on here is like holding long term. Let's see if it's exactly the same. Similar. Yeah, JEPQ is also similar. I definitely would split between like the top 5 dividend stocks or ETFs. When someone clears the ball, you just have to put your foot in front of it quick. Yes, I also thought that was a BS. That's why I said, I don't know if you were here earlier, but someone was talking about the, I think Black Magic was talking about the red card and how it got removed for Balo. And the issue is VAR. That's what their issue comes down to. VAR is ruining the game. Instead of doing better, like Modric said. I mean, Croatia lost the damn game because of VAR. That's, I mean, they didn't lose the game. They could have lost it later on, but they would have went to overtime had not been VAR. It was absolute terrible call on the VAR on that. Plus, there has been, they said it was the ball touched his head, but the defender touched the ball, and that's where the spike came in. So I don't know. It is crazy. The slow-mo makes the fouls way worse. Exactly, and it's not supposed to. They said that VAR is not supposed to be, or you're not supposed to make a decision on VAR on slow-mo. Especially on a foul like that. It's like they're going up for a ball and they land together and then that's a red card. How's that a red card? Red card is something when a direct red card is when you do something either to stop a goal or you do like a really nasty, harmful tackle. If you're the last defender, you foul and they have a clear chance to score, that's a red card. And then a dirty foul is another direct red card. But when you land on someone, I mean, how is that? That's just unfortunate. It could be a foul, could be a yellow card, but a red card. I mean, same thing with yesterday. Yesterday, that penalty that England got at the, not England, that penalty that Brazil got at the end, how is that a foul? And then the penalty that England gave up on Kane, how is that a foul? Those are the things that's just like ruining the sport. Yeah, I did hear the Kane lost his voice. Yeah, that was pretty funny. But we'll see. Wouldn't mind seeing England winning everything. Or Norway. I don't know. I just want someone new and someone like an underdog. Like, I don't want France, and I really don't care for Argentina too much to win. France is the favorite, so I don't want the favorite to win. But well, USA, but I have no hopes for USA. If they win today, I'll be very happy. Yeah, Argentina, I feel bad for Argentina. Argentina is getting so many haters for having an easy schedule. You know, it's just like everyone's always scripted because the FIFA president loves Messi. I'm just like then why are we watching this? If everything's scripted now, everyone says NFL is scripted, everything's scripted. So why are we watching? Commercial breaks, exactly. It's all commercial breaks. The hydration breaks maybe once in a while. It's been hot. It's not, it's been in the hundreds in the in New Jersey. But yesterday when they played, it wasn't that hot. I mean, it was a little hot. I played baseball and soccer with my nephew during the halftime of Brazil and Norway game, and I was soaked. Humidity was bad, but I don't think it was that bad for a hydration break, especially in the first half. They don't need a hydration break in the first half. The players know. Everyone knows. They just can't say it, right? They're under they just can't say it. Everyone knows it's commercial breaks. It's all about money. Back in the day when they used to do like commercials for soccer in the US, they would just put the game on like a smaller section of the TV and then have a commercial going. That's how they do commercials in NASCAR. There's ways to do it without stopping the game. Hockey players can have a drink every time they go to the bench. Yes, but that's a different sport. Anyone that played hockey or ice skates knows that ice skating is like sprinting. This is why they need line changes so fast. Ice skating is absolutely insane on how difficult it is on your body. 2-minute shift in hockey, you're dead. Like, you could barely move. But soccer players are the most, when it comes to endurance and aerobic training, Soccer players are the best athletes, and they could run. They don't need a hydration break after 25 minutes. But money's taking over, and commercials. And yes, international broadcasts don't have commercials. I know that for a fact. Polish broadcast does not have commercials either. All like the analysts and stuff, like Thierry Henry, Ibrahimovic, like they don't like the commercial breaks. No one does. But no one can clearly say that it's commercial breaks, you know? FIFA and the US TV networks were like, you know what? We're getting a heat storm, so let's do four quarters instead, and we could squeeze in some commercials. You know how much money we could make? Even though I don't understand how commercials make money anymore. With social media nowadays, I really don't understand. Have you ever bought anything that you saw in a commercial because you saw a commercial? Like, on social media, you have direct ads. You guys wonder how affiliates can make so much money? Well, it's because it's a direct ad. You're watching something you're interested in, so you're more likely to purchase that product or service, whatever it is. If I see a commercial for a Kia, I am not gonna go out and buy a Kia. If I want to buy a Kia, I'm gonna go buy a Kia because I saw something on social media, not because I saw on TV for 30 seconds. A Whopper. Yeah, my conditioning was pretty good too. I was very slow at sprinting, but my long distance was pretty good. I played center midfield as well. I played right midfield my freshman and sophomore years, and then I became center midfield for junior and senior years. I guess commercials are just brand awareness more than anything. Like every time I watch Champions League, you gotta see PlayStation. Like PlayStation has been a part of Champions League for the longest time. Or Heineken. Like Heineken became Champions League. Like Hyundai has been a big sponsor of the World Cup though. I never knew that till like I've seen old videos. Man, come on market, just pull back like a lot so I could buy. I'm not shorting this anymore. Tired of shorting and losing. Nike doesn't need commercials. Yeah, neither does Lamborghini or Ferrari. You don't see a Ferrari commercial. They might need one soon with this new Ferrari that they came out with. Just the bounces are just so strong. It's crazy. Oh yeah, sorry about your loss there. That was the least possessed Brazilian game in the World Cup ever, I think, or something like that. But Brazil didn't look that good, unfortunately. I think Norway played way better. But Croatia played way better than Portugal, and they lost. So, any new prop firm worth looking into? I don't know. I want to try something new as well. Might find the futures pros, maybe. Yeah. I just can't seem to grasp this market lately. It's just I've been getting destroyed, so I can't get any momentum. So I'm trying to go back to my regular. And today was the first day that I was supposed to, and I of course got to my desk too late, so I couldn't activate the accounts in time, and then I couldn't get the copy trader going in time. And the ORB was a beautiful trade, and I ruined it because I only took one contract on one account instead of 6 contracts. I mean, 6 accounts, 3 contracts. So I would have been up $500 per account per day in the first minute of the day, and I ruined it. So Monday already started terribly, but we got 2 accounts to 500. We blew 1 pro. If you just long this market, you're making a shit ton of money. So why don't we just do that? Why don't we all just start longing? Because look, the market dips, it goes back up. That's the analysis of today. What else do we need? It just goes straight up. Look at that. It just cannot go down. Norway is staying in Montclair. Is their next game at MetLife? Oh wait, this game was at MetLife. What am I talking about? Did you go to any games? Dustin, good morning. I just can't seem to get any confidence today. Try not to do stupid things. Such easy longs, and I am not freaking doing it. Am I back with Apex? Yeah, I gotta just go back to small days over multiple accounts. I can't be doing the big days on TPT. It just doesn't work for me. It's too big of a roller coaster emotional ride. I did do a ORB today only on one account, because I was too late to my desk. I had to activate accounts. ORB is going to be primary thing I focus on, because it's always something that gives me money, and it's just like, win or lose, you're done in a minute. Like, there's no like wasting time sitting in front of the screen, like waiting for a trade. You don't know if you're gonna get it. It's always there at 9:30. You focus, you win. Just the best thing that has ever happened to me in trading. I just wish, I mean, it's already 2-to-1, but I wish it could get to 1-to-1 risk reward. If I could get it to 1-to-1 risk reward, oh man. At the same win rate though. See, the market just isn't, it's not gonna go down. It's just not doing it. So we're just gonna long, and if it goes down then too bad. Yeah, whenever the market's just way too slow for that right now. I did buy 3 of them, so we'll try that tomorrow. We got till the 17th to pass them. Uh, 36 ticks on the opening trade. That was the TP today. This was the opening range. So it dipped down, and I bought this was the high of this candle. So I bought it, and then it ripped. Yeah, I could have easily gotten 2-to-1, or 1-to-1, I should say. But I don't know what the win rate would be like. The ORB is great. It just takes forever to get to payouts. That's the only problem I have. It's like you have to take your time, and that's why I want to get the daily payouts with TPT, because then you'll feel like you're making money. Pine Tree, take care. Yeah, I'll be done here in about 25 minutes. We're gonna do some giveaways, and I'll be done as well. But I'm gonna try to long this on the next push up. It's gonna dump. I know it will, but these are the ball knocks funded. Come on, don't. Don't play games. All right, made $300 on bull knocks. I'm happy with that. Because those accounts are above buffer already, so that's the thing. Getting over buffer is the key, because then just getting smaller. Like this account, we should be able to get a payout. Should be able to get a payout with. Nope, never mind. It's this account that's gonna be for a payout. All right, so that's all we need. Just be patient for one trade and do it and be done. There's so many accounts I have. I have the Take Profit Trader accounts. I have TRADEIFY accounts. The TRADEIFY accounts just don't display on the account overview, so I'm not sure how we're gonna fix that. Yeah, I'm the opposite, Tyler. I'm the opposite. The more accounts, the better, because then I'm happy with small days. Versus trying to go for a $3,000 day. It's just like, I just fucking can't do it. I tried. I wish I could just make 100K every 2 months on TPT and not trade with anyone else, but I just can't do it. I got crushed last month. Absolutely crushed. But you didn't want those huge trades just a few months ago. Everything could change, you know. I want them to, I just can't get them. I want them to, but I just can't get them, so I'm gonna ignore it. And one day I'm gonna push when I have the pulse of the market and not stop. Okay, we keep making lower highs here. It's gotta dump. I mean, come on. I don't want to trade these accounts though, but I'm going to, because nope, that's not gonna hold. That would have went already. You dumping boys. I just didn't have time to select a different account, so. Need a bounce. Come on. One more bounce. There we go. Come on. Nope. Weaker and weaker every time. Damn. Fuck you, market. Fuck you. Now we're gonna dump. Damn it. Bastards, man. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh my goodness, guys. What are we doing here? Why are we doing this to ourselves? The frustration just getting to me. Like the frustration, like from this price action, like missing it every time, and now I long, and and it doesn't go. It's always like that. But that was obvious. Like how long can it hold lower highs? Come on, just get me out of this stupid trade. Oh my god! Now we're gonna keep making lower highs and keep selling off. Unfortunate. Okay, let's get out break even here. Let's do it. We're up $300. We could do it. And then we wait for all the sell-off down here, and then maybe we'll look for a long or something. Right now it's a short. Yep, right now it's a short. Come on, 200 moving average work. Nope. Oh my god, it's so weak right now. Now it's the time to short. Holy smokes. Blew all my loads on the shorts down up here. Now it's so obvious and I'm long. I'm just so opposite of this market right now. Okay, we need to save this. We need to save this. It's not over yet. We're not down much. We just need to save this. But this is going to keep on selling off. The bounces are so weak. Keep shorting into the bounces. Now is the time. It's so obvious in hindsight once it broke the support, but come on, we can't lose these accounts. These are like the best accounts that we have. And I was already green on these accounts today. Come on. Come on. That's like break even right now. And God, very stressful, very stressful. I wasn't down that much because I kept buying, but still. If that would have kept going. All right, we got to switch out of these accounts. TPT. Two more evals on TPT. Guys, make sure you fill out the form. We're going to do a giveaway in less than 10 minutes. Now a lot of people have filled it out, so I'm not gonna keep reminding you. I feel like people that pay attention and have been here from the morning is the people I want to win. So you have a chance. I'm reminding you now, but that's going to be the final reminder. The form that is... Nope. Members only is going to be a regular giveaway. It's going to be right after that. And members only is going to be for Take Profit Trader. Oh man, I'm gonna be trading like all day today between all the evals and stuff, but it's raining outside. But I do have to pick up my friend at like 2:30, I think, or maybe 3 o'clock. But I am going to hit the gym before. Who I got for today's games? Oh, I don't know. USA. Obviously, and then I don't really care. I don't really care. I like both. I'm a Barcelona fan, so I do like Spain, but you know, having Ronaldo in the you know, it's the last World Cup he's in. Like him or hate him. Once the years pass after that, it's like you're gonna remember. So I don't really care who wins. Let the better win team win, and hopefully USA could win. It's not gonna be an easy game, but yep, I watched some of the F1 yesterday as well. I don't know what happened to Kimi though. I missed that part. I was kind of in and out watching. But the ending on the safety car is so dumb. And Ferrari does it again. Why do they always make these mistakes? I don't understand. How can Ferrari keep on making this mistake? Doo-doo. 5 minutes till the giveaway. 5 minutes. Big bounce there. Big bounce. So it's gonna be melting. But when you're on the right side of the market, it's just you end up, you might be wrong initially, but you end up being right eventually. When you're on the wrong side of the market, no matter what you do, you're gonna lose. Damn. Going for new highs. How did you miss that long? Well, it looked like a short to me. That's how bad it was. We have 42 names. 135 people watching, so something's wrong. People are not paying attention or something. Guys, there's a form to fill out. Check the pinned message. Damn. All right, at least we're green. Oh, man. That's all we need is get some green days under our belt. Does the email have to be the same as Apex user account? No, you're going to get a code. The code works for any eval. It doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be the 250k, but it just doesn't work on the no activation ones. I'm so hungry, but I'm trying not to eat. Well, how am I gonna go to the gym? I'm supposed to drink this and I forgot. Now it's warm. I'm gonna drink it anyway. New highs. Oh, this market, man. What a chance. Oh, they just tease you enough to think it's going to go the other way. New highs. That means giveaway. Giveaway time. Last call. There's a form to fill out at the top of the chat or the bottom of the chat, depending on where you're watching. Yeah, we just got to copy trade. When I copy trade, we're going to focus on less trades. Not copy trade everything, but I feel like over trading is something that leads to like bad setups and FOMO. Versus when you just got to take one good trade, then you're like, all right, well, I could be patient. We at the bottom here too, damn. You're about to hit the road. I'm on vacation in Orlando. Sounds good. Enjoy that. Yeah, I have your email. That's why I like doing the email giveaway, because we'll pick a winner and then I have your email. So I don't have to ask you to send me an email, and I could send you an email right away. Sometimes you guys take your time, understandably, and email me like 2 hours later, and then I'm not on my computer and then I forget, and you don't get it till next day. All right, let's do it, because I want to do a members giveaway as well. Or should we do the members one first? And that's going to be quick. I'll do that really quick. It's not going to take as much time. We got Dustin. F off. Joaquin. Moto Timo. Ronnie. Melsma. Pine Tree. Tim. I'm gonna add Tim Vesh. Members, if you're a member, please type in the chat something so I could see you. Tell me. I got to see. Cats. Adinator. Todd. Yep, everyone's in. Sharky, you're not in. Sharky, you're in now. One Sport, you're in. And we have 15 members. Let's go. Shane. We're going to do a members giveaway first. So you have to be a member to participate. That is to give back to members on Mondays. This is going to be for Take Profit Trader 50K eval. And then right after this, we're going to pull the giveaway for everyone. To enter the giveaway, you fill out the form that's on the top or bottom of the chat. Any other members that I'm missing? That's it. That's pretty much a lot of members. Tyler likes men. All right. Let's see how this works. Okay. Too late, Tyler. Oh, wait, we're missing someone. They wish they were somewhere. All right, Tyler. Tyler's gonna give away the account to someone who he likes. Wow, we have a lot of members. Oh. A lot of members, 20 people now. All right. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm gonna drop it on this green one. Cats again. Congrats. This person is gonna get a round of applause. This one's for you, Tyler. You just won. You got a round of applause. Don't worry, Tyler. We're going to add you into the other giveaway with the race. We're going to go horse racing. It's not as fun as the race, but it's quicker, so. You didn't win, Tyler. You got a round of applause. Cats won. Oh, you missed that, Primal. Make sure you don't miss the second one. I'll add your name twice. Luminary. I'll add your name twice into the next race. Just make sure you fill it out. Okay, we have 81 people in the race. Anyone else want to join? Ooh, got a text from a dealer. Oh man, they agreed on my price, on my offer. See, you just gotta be patient. Man, this market just does not want to stop. Ooh, almost 2 grand on Robinhood. Look at that. Almost $2,000 today. You guys want to see what car I'm getting? I just gotta fly out and check it out. Make sure it's all good. I've never seen this car in person either. Where's Palm Beach? Okay, it's a little bit more north of Miami. Damn, the flights are expensive. What the hell? Okay, $400, not bad. Are you guys ready for the giveaway? The drive to Palm Beach would take 18 hours. Hell no. You can't cancel Amazon because then she won't let you buy funded accounts. This music sucks. What the hell is this shit? Kat, that giveaway was for Apex. I got your email. That was for Apex. The TPT. Oh no, never mind. Ignore. I forgot I flip-flopped. All right, let's do a giveaway for Apex. This whole year, my trading has been terrible. I have made way less than I've spent. Oh, man. Sorry to hear that. But like a lot or manageable? Whew. Caught the mic just in time. All right. We are ready for the race. Minute 45 seconds. Who wants it? Let's see. Who wants it? Oh, 1 second. Gotta add a member. Alrighty. Good luck, everyone.
Off they go racing. Let's see who could stay on that horse. Dan Future's off to a hot start. It's me, buddy, as well. Here we go. Purple horses in the lead. Cly taking the early lead as well. Maya. Mateusz. Pezak. Oh, yeah, Tyler. Where's your horse, Tyler? Spank that horse. Oh, look at Corey go. Corey in the lead. Go, go, go. Tyler. Alrighty, 35 seconds. Who's got it? Apex, 90% off the 250K accounts. But you could get one for free in 20 seconds. All you gotta do is spank that horse. PL with the red horse. Oh, Keyshawn! Last second ad. Can he or she? I can't even tell. Could be both. But nope. Earl G. Congratulations. You are the winner of the 250K Apex giveaway. We'll do another one tomorrow. Congrats.
All right, we got the winner. All right, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I don't think there's gonna be much else to trade right now. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'll trade later on. I got a bunch of evals to trade. This is evals here. Try to pass these, but yeah, tomorrow's gonna be an ORB, so I gotta start the stream at like 9:15. I really do. That's like a must. What a beautiful day today, too. Could have made some good money, but we're just scared too long, and it is what it is. But good luck to Spain and Portugal, and good luck to the US. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. Make sure you watch my last video from yesterday. Made a recap. Well, not a recap, but I made a video finally yesterday. Please support that video. Hit the like on it, and leave a comment as well. Thank you guys, and yep. Till tomorrow. Good luck today if you're still trading.